www.fireyourbossman.com, a business blog that tells you exactly what the name implies, how to fire your boss. Ladies and gentlemen, you'll never get rich working for the man, whoever you want to call him, but you'll never get rich, you'll never live comfortably, you'll never get to enjoy your family or the things that you like to do in life. And besides the point, who likes clocking in 8 hours a day, 10 hours a day, 12 hours a day to a job that you hate? I mean, people literally cringe on the thought of going back to work on a Monday after being off all weekend. So simply put, go to www.fireyourbossman.com and just read on different topics, how to start different businesses, and get off your ass and do it. Hey, I did it. You can too. www.fireyourbossman.com.